Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an installation on a 12-inch unit I got from Miss Billionaire's hair on Instagram. I got it during the sale. She's always having sales. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me put this on. I have not bleached the knots. I just added some foundation. The hair is very soft. You know what I mean? Like, so far quality is good. I'll do a review probably after I wear it for a bit. So just keep watching. So this unit covers all of my air tabs right here. So I'm gonna have to cut off where it covers my air. So I'll probably cut from here to here. On this side, I'll probably cut from here to here. So scrunchy. So let's put it in ponytail. I'm just going to use a razor. Okay, so I just pulled out the baby hairs. Now I'm going to take my got-to-be spray and I'm going to spray and blow dry. I'm going to spray it right in the, so I'm going to spray right where you see I pull the baby hair forward. So I'm going to spray right where I put the baby hair forward. So I know right now I look kind of crazy. So I'm just going to take this elastic band and wrap it around. Okay, so now I'm back. I just cut off all the lace and now I'm just going to take some mousse, put it around the perimeter of my hair. So you get rid of the white cast. I'm going to take that elastic band again and put it around my hairline. There's a mirror on the side of me here and a mirror in the front of me, so I'm just trying to make it work. I wanted this hair to just be like free flowing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it at this point. Maybe I'll just throw some big curls in it. That's the easiest thing to do right now. I don't have much time. I won't curl the ends. I just want to put a curl in it. No curling on the ends. You know? I don't know. Okay, I think it's okay. I may or may not get a phone call right about now. Like, where are you? That's fine. Okay, so like I said, I'm not curling the ends. I'm just putting some curls in it, but not curling the ends. Until and it's something else. I'll just cut the little baby hairs maybe. I'm not cutting all the baby hairs. I'll just cut a few. Okay, just to make this look more natural. And even though this is a free flowing kind of thing, this side is still going to be the part, like, you know. I gotta be careful even though I'm rushing. I don't want to cut myself. Okay, and I know I want to wear a perfume. This is the Barbie. Now I have to get into this baby hair business. Give me a... I think it's too much baby hair. Too much baby hair. And I don't want to cut off any more of it because I don't know yet. Because when I redo this hair, I'm gonna fix the baby hairs and all that extra stuff. But at this point, I don't want to take off too much. You know? And then right down here. Okay, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching me all the time. Thank you guys for supporting my channel and subscribing. And I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by December. That's my goal. So thank you guys for being a part of you know, my YouTube channel and supporting me the entire time. And I have a new filming setup just because you guys have been supporting me so much. New camera with the ring light, and I put some fairy lights in the back, you know, for the aesthetics. So thank you guys.